Hi everybody, welcome back to another video, guys. Look at this seafood Sunday, guys. Seafood Sunday. Thank you for being here, guys. Listen, don't forget to tap again the like, share, and subscribe button, guys, and that notification bell, guys. We have lobster. I fried everything, guys. I fried everything. I sure did. It's so good. I haven't tasted it, but I know just by looking at it that it's good. I got fried shrimps, fried king crab leg, and fried lobster, guys. I have my mango habanero sauce, guys, and I have my sesame sauce, guys. Okay, please let's enjoy. I got butter sauce, guys, with garlic and onion, and I got Big Bertha, and I got what is it? Oh, lime watermelon. Lime watermelon. Yes. Yes, guys. Let's dig in. Let's have some fun, guys. Don't let anybody get you out of character, guys. Okay? This is my dream that I'm trying to fulfill, guys. And it is what it is, guys. I'm by myself today, guys, but I'm still happy. I'm still positive. Please, let's throw some positive vibes into that universe, guys. It's very important because that's what you get back. Okay? Only positive things. Don't let anything take you from your goals and your path. It could be your mom, your dad, your children, your friends, your husband, significant others, whoever, guys, because everybody's dream is different. Mine is different from yours. Yours is different from mine. And I'm just trying to do what I got to do, guys, and spread my message, spread my love, guys, because that's what this world needs right now. We need love. We need positive vibes, positive energy, guys. We need it, okay, with everything that's going on. All right, guys, I'm going to dig in. But first, let's have some fun with Big Bertha. Big Bertha. We have some lime watermelon, guys. Let me know how you doing in the comments below, guys, because I'm doing amazing. Please, I hope you're doing amazing, guys. I look amazing. I feel amazing. This food is going to be amazing. Let's enjoy it, guys. Let's have some fun with Big Bertha. I'm always having fun with her. Always having fun with her. Big Bertha. Now let her cool down. You know I like to let the liquid cool down, guys. But look at this. I told you I was gonna make some butter sauce. Look at this, guys. Let's do this thumbnail. Let's dig it. Let's dip it. Let's dip it. Let's dip it. Oh, guys, can you see this though? Can you see this? But can you see this? Oh my God. Come on, guys. Let's enjoy this. Come on, I'm going to take this bite, guys. It's garlic butter, guys, with some onions. Let's do it. Oh. Oh. What? Wow. Okay. Wow. Do it for me, king crab and butter. Do it for me. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Wow. Ooh. I'm in heaven, guys. This is so good. Oh my God. Wow. Where have you been all my life? Oh my God. Take a shrimp, guys. Take a shrimp. Take a shrimp. It's so good. Oh. Mm, 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 mm. Wow. Mm. Oh my God. Wow. I killed it. I killed it, guys. I killed it. Mm. 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 Oh my God. Wow. Let's get this sesame. I'm gonna try with the sesame. Guys, I have lobster too, guys. This is more king crabs. This is part of the knuckle. Mm. Mm. Uh. Oh my God. Wow. Guys, I wish you guys can taste this. My goodness, have mercy. Mm. Wow. Oh. Mm. Mm. I'm in heaven. Mm. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God, this is so good. Mm-mm. This is crazy. Let's do the lobster, guys. Let's dip the lobster in the oil, in the butter. Let's dip it. Let's dip it. Come on, let's get closer. Oh my God! Garlic, butter. Mm. Wow. Oh my goodness! Stop it. Mm. Why? This is so good, guys. This is amazing. My seafood Sunday. This meal is so fresh. It's amazing, guys. I don't use salt. I seasoned it with some cumin and some all-purpose seasoning with garlic and oh my God. And I took some fresh garlic, guys, and some fresh onions and stuck it in that butter and went to town. Mm. Wow, man. This is crazy right here, guys. This lobster is my favorite, guys, and huh, I don't always fry them. I like them. I like them steamed because I don't know. I just like them steamed. I don't know why. I like them steamed better. You know? But this right here, guys. Mm, wow. Guys, we need taste division. We need taste division. Mm. Oh, I think I need Big Bertha. Big Bertha. Mm. Do it for me, lobster. Oh my God. Stop playing. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Big Bertha. Come on. I needed it. Wow. Oh my God. Guys, I'm in heaven, guys. I'm in heaven. Wow. Guys, I'm having an amazing time here in Florida. Oh my God, guys. It's incredible. The beauty, okay, that I've seen so far, guys. The species of different animals, guys, that I've seen. Oh my God. It's crazy. Just on the road. Just on the road. Okay? You know? The manatees are next. I want to see them. I want to go and see the manatees, guys, because we are in the manatee town. And, you know, it's something that I want to see. I'm going to videotape it. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to videotape it. You guys are going to see me, you know, snorkeling or scuba diving with the manatees because it's something that I want to do. And I'm going to do it. I'm not going to be scared. Um, mm, wow. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, yes. The shrimps are so good, guys. It's so good. Oh, look at that. Take a bite, guys. Take a bite. Take a bite. Wow. So good. So flavorful. Oh my God. Big Bertha, come on now. Oh my God. So good. So good. Guys, this is so good, guys. Listen, I'm gonna eat some more. Don't worry, guys. But let's talk, guys. Let's talk. Okay? You know, I'm always saying stay positive, keep your mind positive. Don't let anybody get you out of character, guys. There's a reason. And I know I've said it before and I'm gonna say it again. If you're on a road to success, guys, right? And room for more. Hey, and room for more. Hey, and room for more. If you're on the road to success, guys, and you're working on your goals, you're meeting objectives that will lead you to your goals, okay? Guys, you cannot get out of character. You can't get out of track, okay? And that means your family, anybody, okay? Stay on track. And I'm saying this because I'm telling myself this, D, stay on track. Continue to work on your goals. Continue to work on your objectives. That's going to make you meet those goals, guys. Because you know what? Ultimately, I want to get to certain places in my life. Okay, guys? And I need you guys. I need you, I need you, I need you guys. You guys don't need me. I need you. You help me stay focused and you help me stay on track, guys. And I want you to know that I love you so, so much from the bottom of my heart, guys. Because you don't have to watch me. You don't have to be here. You can be anywhere else, right? It's Sunday, okay? But you stopped and you watched me, okay? And if you watched me to the end, guys, kudos to the both of us because I'm not fun, you know? But I just try to be, guys, you know? And breaking bread with you guys is very important because I stay focused. I stay focused, guys. Oh my God, let me see. Let's open this up. Look, 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 look. Look, you see that? You see it? Yes, let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's dip it, let's dip it, let's dip it. And you know my sauce is spicy, guys. Just to let you know, I haven't said nothing too much about spice, but that's spicy, and that one too. Wow. So good. Let's clean this up. Let's clean this up. Let's have some more. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Oh, I picked up an onion. Wow. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yes, it is. And it's so good. Mm. Guys, I love you guys so, so much. I know I said it so many times, and I'm going to continue to say it. Okay? Because I don't know if you heard it yesterday. If you didn't hear it today, you might not hear it tomorrow. I'm telling you, Gramita Love loves you from the bottom of her heart, guys. And I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you for watching me, guys. Oh my God, if you watch me to the end, kudos to the both of us, guys. Listen, don't forget to tap and tap again the like, share, and subscribe button, guys. And that notification bell. Please don't forget. Okay? Don't forget. I need your support. I love you guys, and I'll see you back here for Taco Tuesday. I'm going to be making beef tacos, guys. Lean beef tacos, guys. And I might record myself making them. Love you. Bye. I gotta get up behind the scenes. I gotta turn off the camera. I love you guys. Bye. Bye. Mwah.